Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk, and today I'm here with a lovely penguin Christmas card that I have made, and yeah, stay tuned and you can see how I did it. So to make the card, we're using Playful penguins. I have mounted all three penguins: the hat, the scarf, the bow tie, and the merriest wishes. Okay, we're going to use cherry cobbler and memento. I've got a cherry cobbler card blank there, which is half a sheet, standard sheet, folded in half, scored in half, and I've got two mats, one for the outside, one for the inside, in Whisper White. But we're going to do some stamping on this. I want to sort of create a scene, which I'm then going to cut out with a rectangle, so I kind of want to keep it into that sort of size, so I might sort of keep that in mind and see if they all fit in. I've got a vision in my head, and let's see if it will work. Not looking like three of them will fit. It's one. Maybe we'll just have two. So now we know that's in that frame size. I'm going to put the hat I'm going to try and get it directly. Oh, that was good. I was thinking afterwards, maybe I shouldn't be doing this, and I think I'm gonna put the bow tie directly on as well, like so. And I'm going to get a scrap because I want to fussy cut the scarf out. Like so. And then we want merriest of wishes. I might do, I'll do a Merry Merlin one, but I will also do a memento because I'm not actually sure what colour I want that to be. Just get that clean off my chamois. So, and I'm assuming, I haven't tried it, that this will cut out with that one. Yeah, they do. Okay, so I'm going to cut out these and come back to you. Okay, so I've got those cut out now. And I want something behind this. I fussy cut that out as well. So I think I might put it on one side like that. So what I thought I'd do is a little bit of stamping on the background to give the impression of a bit of a snowstorm, in cherry cobbler. And so the stamp set I'm going to use is Waterfront, and there's this splatter there, And so that's what I'm going to use for the snow. So I'm going to bring in a little scrap piece there, and I'm just going to stamp around the edges. Just randomly. Might come in a bit, not quite sure where it needs to be. It doesn't matter. Okay. And then that won't get lost in the background. Or we could put it central like that. Decisions. Let's get the card base and see what it looks like. Don't want to stick it on the wrong one. I think I will stick to my original idea of having it opposite like that, and then I'm going to decide if I want a bit of ribbon. Underneath or not. Or down the side. I think I might do that. So I want this to go on. I think I'm going to pop that up on some little mini dimensionals. Once again, this is not the card I had in my head, but it's probably nicer than the card I had in my head. There we go. And we're gonna stick that down. Put a bit of this ribbon down there. Stick this down. Running out of Tombow, getting to dire straits here. I've got one more Tombow. There we go. Right, we're going to stick that down there. So I'm going to put a glue dot behind to hold it in place. And then that one needs some dimensionals. Put some big ones on. 2 will be enough. Did I decide that I definitely wanted a red one over the black? Yeah, I think so. There we are. How cute. So we'll just stick this on the inside to finish off, somewhere to write your Christmas message. I could stamp a Christmas message on there. But I'm not going to. There we go. That is a lovely Playful penguin Christmas card. Hope you like that. All details be on my blog. Should be a link there. Please like and subscribe. Please go and explore. Links to the shop down below if you wish to purchase anything that I have used. And I shall see you again soon. Bye bye.